Hello, this is Xhorse Key, and today we have the Xhorse Key 2 Max Pro. Now this is an upgrade of Xhorse Key 2 Max, and it has some improvement in the features. For key programmers who are already using key cutting machines for Xhorse, such as the Dolphin XP05 or 05L, this tool can also help you to, you can use this tool actually to control the machine. We shall be looking at how this can work with the Xhorse, the Dolphin cutting machine. But for now, let's go in and do a simple review of this and we'll see what it can do. Keep an eye on the channel. I'll also be doing later a detailed review of the Key 2 Max Pro versus the Hotel KM100 to confirm which one does better or which one does what and which one you should purchase. Okay, stay tuned. For now, let's get in and review the Xhorse Key 2 Max Pro. So here are some of the specs. Okay, so well, let's open it and see. Carrying, it's a nice carrying case. Is a X2 Max Pro. It's an upgrade of X2 Max. I'll begin from. Let's start from this side. Here we have the Max Pro OBD connector. This is where it goes into the car. This is where it goes into the Max Pro. We have a charging cable for the Max Pro. Let me just tell you it. Look at the cable it uses. It's also AC to USB. USB goes into the charging side, and it does not come with its own charger, so basically, yeah, you might have to get a charger for it. These are battery testers. That's one good thing I've liked about it. So in case somebody brings a key and they're saying the key is dead and you don't know what has happened, so you can begin by testing to confirm whether the battery is working. So this is the cable for battery testing. Then this is the programming cable, and on this side is where we have our Max Pro. Okay, let's first look at the manual. So here's our manual. It has the English side and Chinese side. This one I got it from Singapore. So most of the instructions are basically like what we have on others on the box, but maybe what's key is the package list. It has a Key 2 Max Pro OBD to DB15 cable with lights. Interesting. So this cable has a light inside there, but I think it lights when it's connected to the Max Pro. Shall test that and see. Then we have the remote programming cable. Where is this? This one. Then now we have the leakage detection cable. Well, it does both leakage detection on the keyboard as well as the battery testing. USB cable and this one and the manual. I will need to power this up. I will need to first maybe charge it, but this is where the USB cable goes for charging, and programming, you have to use this one. So just try to connect it and see whether it actually fits in. Yeah, fits in very perfectly. So this is also the key detection area. So this is for the transponder. These are power buttons. So on this other side we have the camera and the lights. This is the lights and the camera. Okay, let me just try to power it and see. I'll need to set it up. So for setup, then we'll see how it happens. So I've already set it up, and now let's do an initial. I did the setup, I did the update of the database and the firmware. Most of these tools, when you get it first time, you have to do the update of the firmware and the database, the key database. So let's agree and enter. Either way, you can connect it to other tools. This is the default face when you get in. Then there's the Dolphin machine, which I connected to it. I have this, which I'll be doing a review for this. It's a key cutting machine. Yeah, and the key to this is where you do the update from. It can do immobilizer programming, remote programming, transponder cloning, remote cloning, generate transponder, TPMS, special functions. We shall be doing detailed review of this later. Okay, that's it for this. Thanks.